The Scamper technique aims to provide 7 different thinking approaches to find innovative ideas and problem solutions. S. The first letter, S, refers to substitute. The substitute technique focuses on the parts in the product, service or solution that can be replaced with another. You can ask questions such as, what part of the process can be substituted without affecting the whole project? Who or what can be substituted without affecting the process? What part in the process can be replaced with better alternatives? Can the project time or place be replaced? C. The C for combine merges 2 ideas, stages of the process or product in one single. In some cases, combining 2 innovative ideas can lead to a new product. You can ask questions such as, can we merge 2 steps of the process? Can we apply 2 processes at the same time? Can our company combine resources with another partner in the market? Can we mix 2 or more components together? Can we combine X and Y technologies? A. A for adapt, adjust or tweak product or service for a better output. This adjustment can range between minor changes to radical changes in the whole project. The questions in this stage can be, what would we need to change to reach better results? What else could be done in this specific task? How can we improve the existing process? How can we adjust the existing product? How can we make the process more flexible? M. M for modify, minify or magnify. It refers to changing the process in a way that unleashes more innovative capabilities or solves problems. This change is more than just adjustment, as it focuses on the overall process. You can ask questions such as, how will modifying the process improve results? What if we had a double consumer base? If the market was different, what would the process look like? Can we change the process to work more efficiently? What if the product is double the current size? P. P for put to another use. It refers to putting the current product or process in another purpose, such as learning how to shift an existing product to another market segment or user type. The questions in this stage can be, what other parts in the company can use the product? What if we target another market segmentation for the current product? Can we add a specific step into the process to replace another? What are other ways can we use it? Can we recycle the waste for another use? E. E for eliminate or elaborate. Identifies the parts of the process that can be eliminated to improve the process, product or service. You can ask questions such as, what would happen if we removed this part? How can we achieve the same output without specific part of the project? Do we need this specific part? What would we do if we had to work with half the resources? R. R for reverse. Explores the innovative potential when changing the order of the process in the production line. Reversing the process can help solving problems or produce more innovative output. You can ask questions such as, what would happen if we reverse the process? How can we rearrange the current status for better output? What if we consider it backwards? Can we interchange elements?